Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We are going to take a sneak peek inside Savers. We're going back to our roots and we're going to see what kind of fun things we find at Savers. So I'm going to give you a tour through the store, kind of explain how we go about searching. Here's a sneak peek of the back room. And we'll show you at the end the fun things we bought. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. So whenever we enter the store, we always hit the outside edge. So right at the front here in our specific Savers, we've got kind of all the general merchandise, housewares, miscellaneous home decor on these aisles here. And they have, say hi to Paul. They have all of these awesome bags of things, and we have found some great treasures here. Trying not to bug that lady, so we're going to look down here. We've got a lot of different baskets that are great for decorating your house. Good sellers if you want to flip them, even at garage sales they'll flip good. Lots of glassware, of course, which is great if you sell locally, but not so good if you ship. Old school calculators sell really well on eBay if they work. And we have, see, even new in package. This is like a doggy data thing, so kind of a keychain there. All sorts of things that you can find still new in box, and then of course gently used items. And so along this wall, I like to look in the bags and stuff. Look at these old-timey tins. Aren't those cool? So a lot of collectors. Look at that one. Cracker Jack tin with an old school baseball player. Snickers tin. Who wants to eat a Snickers now? So, just you name it, you can find it out of Savers. They're pretty awesome. So we've got a lot of picture frames, things like that. And so you can actually make bundles if you want to make some cool bundles to sell as a set. If you have an eye for detail and an eye for decorating, these are great ideas. Maybe you could even use them and decorate plain frames to be able to upsell them for, those of you who are creative out there. And then if you just look, it's just absolutely a massive store. We've got some seasonal things here. So we got some 4th of July things out, and believe it or not, yes, there are some Christmas items on the shelf. And so a lot of people spring cleaning at this time. So usually the springtime is a great time to come and check out Savers because there's usually lots of new product. So we're going to look inside a few of these bags here. See, we've got some decorative flatware there. Some coffee cups. Sorry for the poor camera work. I'm doing my best here. Usually Paul holds the camera, but he was very busy hunting, and I'll show you what he buys at the end of this video. Full service working, some cool art pieces. Really neat stuff. Kind of want to see what this sign says. Let's pull it out. Oh, it says father, dignified, loyal, gentle, hero, wise, and brave. That was cool. We thought about picking up some of these, but they were priced per picture frame. If they were sold as a set, we might have bought some, but we decided against it. Look at the dragons. Tons and tons of books. VHSs, believe it or not. But lots of books. If you want to take time to actually scan through the books, you can find some nuggets there. Records there. I don't know anything about records, and so I usually just kind of avoid this section. But I'm sure I could take my scanner for Amazon. Look at this comforter set. Robin actually has a brand new, this is a Madison Park Target comforter set. Robin has one down at the New Baden store for sale that is brand new with all of its pieces. That's kind of funny that I saw that there. Lots of comforters, blankets, you name it. It is here. We try to stay away from buying any kind of fabric items. I mean, if you want a throw pillow, go to a Savers. Good night. You can get just about every color, design, shape, size that you want at a Savers store. some of the larger toys here. There is a whole another wall of toys I'll show you later. Some pet supplies here, smaller furniture pieces, bread makers, small appliances, things like that in this section. We have a very clean and organized Savers. Not all the Savers look like this, but ours is really nice. Some chairs, recliners, dining room chairs over in this way. Nice recliner there. And of course, gobs and gobs of clothing. So we're going to try to... I will walk up and down the clothing item aisles here in a little bit. Men's suits on the back wall. This is men's polos here. Short sleeve polos. We got some ties and belts as well. Some dress shirts. These are awesome. So these are all the games. Believe it or not, you can actually buy games just for the pieces alone, especially Scrabble. People buy the letters for crafting. They do lots of different mosaics and things like that with the crafting letters. And then I showed you earlier the back room. And then back here we have the bathrooms to the Savers. And then here is our kind of toy section. If you look here, can't use the drinking fountains because of COVID. But here are the little toy cars and Tonka trucks and things like that. Really cute stuff. Still in pretty good condition here for toys. So if you're ever looking for some toys, this is a good option as well. Then we've got a few little games here. Most of the games and puzzles and stuff were on that first shelf that I showed you. But they actually have kind of slim pickings for their toy section here right now. A lot of baby dolls. We've got some other toys here. There's a dinosaur down there. Look at him. He's so scary. Some robots. Uno attack game. Just bits and pieces. There's a foam kind of puzzle. Big giant foam puzzle. This is brand new. It's a magnetic playset. Still wrapped up. I think I might take that. We'll see. This is a color or design your own bag. So this is brand new as well. Comes with markers and you can color on the bag and basically design it any way you want. Nice little messenger bag for girls. Little suitcase. Clothing. Look at those boxers. Grumpy. I do my best to try to avoid other shoppers and not showing their faces, so sorry if I get a little shaky, but all these different little games. Here's a Monopoly piece for, I think, one of the Monopoly credit card games. And then just other random toys. That is a Mario little ball popper game. And then just lots of stuffed animals. We ended up getting some of these. That's a Buffy the Vampire card, but we got the Outlander ones. So Paul's actually going to spend some time, I think, going through them individually, but we'll see. But lots of different kind of collectible card sets here. I don't know if somebody just cleaned out someone's house or what, but, you know, here you go. Lots of little toys and trinkets, pegboard games, Frisbee, Happy Easter football, Outburst Travel Edition, some flashcards. If you ever need hey, we sell this on our store, the War Game. I think we actually have it cheaper than that. But if you are ever looking for flashcards for your preschooler, do not buy them brand new. Just come to Savers. They always have like bazillions of sets of sight word flashcards, of number flashcards, you name it. Learn how to tell time, learn your states. I can always find them at the Savers stores. There's another handheld. Believe it or not, these Radica handheld games are pretty popular. Here's some headphones, Thomas the Tank Engine headphones. think I'm going to check out those. Stuffed animals. Tons of Barbies. Of course, the Barbies never have clothes. Here is the baby section. So you got a lot of baby blankets, burp cloths, little swaddling blankets, little baby shoes. Regular people shoes! So if you're looking for a pair of shoes, here you go. Very nicely organized. Kids shoes and adult shoes. Some hats, scarves, belts, and we've got some book bags and messenger bags here. Hello, there I am in the mirror. Then here are all the purses. I find a couple of cool ones. More shoes. Look at those. Somebody needs to buy those. Those are a statement right there. This American flag little bag. How cool is that? A little denim on it. A little bling on that one. If you're looking for a crossbody bag or messenger bag, here you go. We got some sunglasses here. A lot of times this has jewelry on it, but I see sunglasses this time. Here is the jewelry wall. That's something that's changed. Kind of get a closer look here at all the different kinds of jewelry. Bracelets, necklaces, you name it, it is there. And then over here is their glass case. This is where they keep all the things that they're marked 925. They might have instruments there, fancy shoes. Anything that's going to be a higher dollar item is going to be in the case. So, and you actually have to get someone to unlock it. Lots of watches, bracelets. A lot of times you'll find games in there, like the old school games, PlayStation games, stuff like that. But it's displayed really nice, and you just have to ask the employee to let you in. All right, let's see the racks of clothes. So these are long sleeve women's shirts and short sleeve women's shirts on the left and the right here. This is taking too long. Let's go faster. Woohoo! Look how fast we're walking now. So this is the men's section here in the back. Got shorts and short sleeve shirts. More long sleeve dress shirts. Women's clothing. As you can see, just tons and tons of clothing. So if you know your brands of clothing, this is definitely something that you might want to look into, because brands of clothing, you definitely can find things to sell. So I would recommend for sure checking out the clothing options in Savers. We like to go for some of the unique items, but if you know clothing, I think this is definitely an option for you. All right, we're going to end this little tour of the clothing section and head on out of the store, and then we're going to show you each and every item that we bought. Okay, so we just got done with Savers. Let's see what our haul is while we're still right here. Okay, so we bought $150 worth of cards, but we had a discount. Anytime you donate at Savers, you can get 20% off. And so donating to Savers and getting rid of some of that excess stuff that doesn't sell or whatever is nice. We bought all these Outlander cards, and when we looked them up, they looked like they were selling really well auction style on lots. So we're going to do our best, Paul has not bought anything that is baseball card style in a long time.
I know. I about pooped my pants in there again.
Yep, so
it was awesome.
He's really excited.
No, we found that if they have a signature card or if they have these costume, little piece of costume cards in there, they're worth a lot of money. But who knows? We'll see. I'm excited to go home and look at them.
And then I found this digital book system, which looks like a really outdated piece of technology, but it's actually still selling on Amazon brand new for about $80. And so we thought, well, I don't know if it's new or used without opening it. If it's new, we scored. If it's used, we probably could still get about 30 bucks out of it, and look what we paid.
Excellent.
$5. So then we have this cool little mini cast iron casserole with wooden base, and scan that brand new. Think we can make some money on that. Then we have these erasables. Paid $2 for them, but remember we had a discount, so we paid probably more like $1.50 for them. Yeah. And we're going to be able to, after fees on Amazon, we can send these into Amazon, still make $5.50 because they're selling for $8. So we have 4 of those. Then we have this cool 6-piece votive candle holder set, brand new. We thought either the fire sale or we could see if we can send them in. We're going to check on that, but those are new.
Right.
We got these cool, awesome candlesticks.
I like them.
Paul loved them.
They're, what do you call them? Southern Living. So that looked like a decent
and it kind of has
home decor brand.
A patina distressed look. Then we have these 2 boxes of beads.
Got a lot of tiny little glass beads.
Well, and a lot of people like these for our craft sets. So we thought, well, we can sell some of those. And then this.
That's a bird feeder.
Is a bird feeder.
If you want to open it, it's
it comes with a little hook.
I can't remember what. Better Homes and Gardens.
See?
I think those are glass, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. For like hummingbirds. Does this come out?
Yeah.
Or should I just leave it like that?
Nope, it comes out.
Oh, okay.
Just gonna drop it.
See?
And look at that down there. Hopefully it's not broken.
Yeah, we're gonna just leave it in the container. I will drop it. There we go.
I'm gonna pick it up.
And then you put these little things in.
Look at that thing. Isn't that cool?
See?
Yeah. I think it's really pretty. It is glass.
Yeah. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
So, those are some of the things we found at Savers. We're going to see if we actually make money, but we wanted to show you our haul. Good old-fashioned take you back to the original way we used to do picking. So hopefully it's been fun to kind of go back to our roots and make some money that way. And Paul's going to have so much fun just digging and digging and digging. And I told him he had to post them all because I'm not going to do it.
Yep. She really didn't like me buying these, but I'm going to make $1 million.
She is going to make $1 million.
Or at least $1,000.
Yeah.
$1,000 a card.
$1,000. Yep.
Calling it right now.
So hopefully it's been fun to see our Savers haul. And of course, remember at the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.